Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert. Today, we're diving into an important topic for mobile home buyers. Buying a mobile home as is. What does as is actually mean? What are the risks and how can you protect yourself during the purchase? Let's jump in. When a mobile home is sold as is, it means the seller is offering the property in its current condition with no warranties, guarantees, or promises to fix any issues. The seller won't make any repairs before the sale. You're accepting the home with all of its flaws, visible or hidden, and once you buy, all repairs and updates are your responsibility. Essentially, as is means you're buying the home in its current state, no questions asked. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, as-is homes are often cheaper than move-in ready homes. The closing process is typically faster, and you don't have the opportunity to customize and renovate the home. Plus, you can still get an inspection to make an informed decision. The cons include unknown repair costs unless you get a home inspection, potential hidden damage, and difficulty securing financing if the home has major issues. Understanding these factors will help you decide if an as-is purchase aligns with your goals. If you're considering buying a mobile home as is, here are some essential tips to protect yourself. Hire a licensed inspector to uncover any hidden issues. Carefully review any disclosures provided by the seller. Budget for repairs. Check your financing options since some lenders may not finance as-is properties. And use inspection findings to negotiate a better price. Taking these steps can help you minimize the risk and avoid costly surprises. So the question is buying as is right for you? It may be right for you if you're handy, have renovation budget, and are looking for a bargain. It may not be right for you if you want a move-in ready home and can't afford any expected repairs. It all comes down to your budget, expectations, and willingness to handle repairs. Buying a mobile home as is can be a great opportunity, but it's not without risks. Make sure you do your homework and get inspections and budget for the unexpected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mobile home tips. And if you have any questions about buying a mobile home as is, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.